Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kashif Ali. Roll number is 1001. I am from group 3 and today I am here to discuss about phrase. So let's discuss what is phrase. So first of all, phrase is a group of words. It is a group of words having no subject plus verb. If used alone, having no meaning, but in sentence having unique meaning. So let's we take an example to understand phrase. So we will take a beautiful car. So a beautiful car, is it a group of words? Yes, it is a group of words. Secondly, no subject verb. Yes, it has no subject and verb. Thirdly, alone having no meanings. If we focus on that, a beautiful car, it is giving a same sense that it is a beautiful car, but it is not telling us that to whom it belongs. But if I put I bought, so now it is giving a complete meaning because it is used in a sentence. A beautiful car belongs to me. I bought this car. Is it clear? So now we will go to its types. So there are 5 types. First of all, noun phrase. Second, verb phrase. Third, adjective phrase. Fourth, adverb phrase. Fifth, prepositional phrase. Remember that all these type of phrase bases on parts of speech that we have already studied. So first of all, we will take noun phrase. So noun phrase is a group of words that modifies a noun. Remember that noun phrase also act as a noun in a sentence. Clear? For example, he bought a decent shirt. Here, shirt is a noun. A decent is a simple group of words that is describing the noun. Means a decent shirt is a noun phrase. Clear? Then verb phrase. So verb phrase is a combination of helping verb plus main verb. So it is a combination of helping verb plus main verb. So let me take an example to understand it. He has finished his work. Here finished is a main verb, has is an helping verb. So the combination of these two verbs is called verb phrase. So has finished is a verb phrase. Clear? Now we will come on an adjective phrase. So adjective is a group of words that modifies the noun. So adjective phrase is a group of words that modifies the adjective. Clear? So now we take an example that will help us to better understand adjective phrase. He is a very intelligent student. So intelligent is an adjective which is modifying the student. Student is a noun, but very is a word that is modifying the adjective. So a very intelligent is an adjective word phrase. Now we'll come on adverb phrase. So adverb is a group of words that simply modifies the word. But in adverb phrase is a group of words that modifies the adverb. So let me take an example to understand it. He runs really fast. Fast is an adverb, but really is a word that is adding something to the meaning of adverb. Mean it is modifying the adverb. So really fast is a adverb phrase. Now we'll come on prepositional phrase. Preposition is a group of words, and prepositional phrase is a group of words that tells us or adds something to the meaning of or modifies the preposition. Let me take an example. He is sleeping on the bed. On is a preposition. The bed is telling that he is sleeping. So on is a preposition and the bed is modifying or adding something, adding to the meaning of preposition on. So on the bed is a prepositional phrase. So these are the types of phrase and that phrase.